Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video we are going to be playing Text or Die. I really like this game, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here we are. Let's go. My name isn't actually Cameron. I just really like this name. Okay, name a continent. Let's just say, I don't know. Is America a continent? Oh crap. Okay, that's bad. Okay, city in Italy. Okay, comment down below if you know any cities in Italy. Let's say Puerto Rico. Dang it, okay. Oh god, I'm probably gonna die. Yeah, I'm getting eaten by a shark. Oh crap. Okay. I'm gonna lose it. I don't really like it. Dang it, science. I'm crap at science. Okay, let's play. Name a human organ. A scoffed. No, let's just say heart. I don't know how to spell it. Esophagus. Arm. Oh well. Well, I got eaten by a shark. But, oh yeah, I'm fine like this. Okay, let's play again. Okay. Let's see. Name a fast word. McDonald. No, that's not how you spell it. McDonald's. Are these guys from like the US? Like Wendy's, Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A? America. Yes, let's go. Okay, an animal beginning with A. I don't know. Let's get a hint. Oh! Alligator. No, I spelled it wrong. Oh, ant! An ape as well. Crap. Okay. An FL team? NFL team. I don't know. What is an NLF team? I'm gonna put dunno. I don't know what they are. I don't know. What are they? A Greek god, Zeus. Okay. No! No, why? No, I don't like it. Oh, sports. Yeah, I'm gonna be great at that. Okay, we'll do it later. Whatever. Okay, let's see. Okay. A name beginning with S. Sarah. Okay, let's see. No! A house in Hogwarts. Gryffindor. No, how did I spell that wrong? A U.S. state beginning with M. Actually, comment down below if you live in the U.S. I don't know. Hang on, let me just. Okay, I thought of one. Michigan. I don't think that's how you spell it. No, it's not how you spell it. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this game. No, I don't want Spider-Man. Okay, let's see. Oh wow. No thanks. Oh, okay, music. Okay, sure. Okay, a musical genre. No, I'm not gonna say rock. I'm gonna say. Yeah, I'm just gonna say rock. I was actually gonna say heavy metal, but. Classical. Let's do punk. Pop. I don't want it, but I'll try get it. Like, sure, why not? Techno. That's not how you spell techno. Oh no. Oh. Oh well. Well, I'm sorry to end this video, you guys, but I have decided to end the video because I am absolutely crap at this game. I will be uploading another video tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and turn on those post notifications. Bye!